back to my channel where you can learn some easy Scottish Gaelic with me, and today I thought we could do some Valentine's phrases. So the first one is going to be how to say Valentine's Day, and that is Naomh Valentine. Naomh Valentine. Naomh Valentine. Now my favourite one, which isn't so official, but it is Naomh, and that is Day of the Kisses. Naomh. Naomh. Now if you want to say to you, Happy Valentine's Day to you, you can put Sona at the end of it. So Naomh Sona or Naomh Valentine Sona. Now those are just two quick and easy phrases that we use to say Valentine's Day. If you are having an exciting Valentine's Day, please do let me know what you're doing below, because I love a good bit of romance, and I am contemplating, because I've had quite a few requests, I'm contemplating doing a proposal video. Is it too much? Would you like to see it? Please do let me know, and whatever you're doing, have an amazing day, and I will see you soon.